Hey friends! Welcome back to the Emoji Gaming. How lucky are you feeling? Are you ready to play the new game, Choose Your Gift Hot and Cold Edition? We've got 40 levels where you'll test your luck. Ready? Hit subscribe and let's get started. Hey there! Ready for a surprise? Choose wisely. Hope you picked the hot box. Round 2. What's your pick this time? Do you know what's in the cold box? Level 3. Coming up, make your choice. Both options are awesome, right? On to the next. Which will it be? Did you expect that in the cold box? Halfway to 10. Select your gift. The beach or the mountains? Tough call. Keep going. What's behind your choice? Breakfast of Champions or a daring choice? Lucky 7. Pick your prize. Which tattoo did you end up with? Level 8. What's it gonna be? Cozy or crispy? Your choice. Nearing the top 10. Decide your destiny. Game on. Did you score the hot console? We're at 10. Grab your goodie. Backpacks galore. Which did you bag? Level 11. Back in the saddle. What'll it be? Vintage vibes or mountain rides? Next up, what's your vibe? Make a choice. What's behind door number 1? Style on the line. Which way will you sway? Will you stand out or blend in? Which one hits it for you? Find your treasure. Beats or AirPods? Max, which beat did you pick? Do you choose the hot or cold one? Rev up. Choose your gift. Ferrari fire or Lamborghini looks? Next choice. Which one powers your world? Gaming glory or Apple elegance? Time's ticking. Pick your gift. Apple Watch or Rolex Radiance? Shades Showdown. Which do you don? stylish red specs or blue-hued glasses? Level 21. Do you choose the hot or cold one? Hot chocolate comfort or lemonade chill? Next selection, choose your surprise. Cheesy pepperoni or berry cool? Case closed. Which gift are you casing? Red rhinestone glam or cool blue? Gift conundrum. Which box of heaven? Chocolate decadence or ice cream dream? Vacay vibes. Where are you off to? Beach basking or sleigh riding in the snow? Tea time. Which gift is your? Gamer's paradise. Light up your gift. Neon nights or cool blue hues? Which gift gets your yes? Ruby Radiance or Tiffany Diamond Dazzle? Level 29. What's your pick? Red Hot or Blue Bell? How about this? Choose your gift. Icy Igloo Room, extreme choice. Do you choose the hot or cold one? Which gift will you explore? VR Venture, Apple Innovation, or Meta Immersion? Level 33. What's it gonna be? What's your haul? Treasure trove, gold galore or gemstone jackpot? How about this? Choose your gift. Special surprise. Your support unlocks the best gifts. Select your present. Nail the look. How do you polish? What's your gift? Hey, red cup is so cute. Round 38. What's your pick this time? Next choice. Choose your gift. Tablet Tales, Kitty Scribbles or sleek iPad Pro? Which gift tempts you? Backyard Bliss. Now is the perfect time to pick your next challenge. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss out on new epic quizzes. Good luck!